Hi there, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will explore Trello API. Trello is a powerful project management tool and outstanding interface that helps you organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay more productive and handle your lot of works easily. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Very first of all, we will know how to collect API credential like API key, API token, Trello board ID, and then we will use Postman tool to send API request to interact with Trello. So very first of all, what you'll do, you will log in your Trello account in the browser. Right now you can see this is my Trello account. There is no boards is created. To collect the API credential, what you'll do, you will go to this site. This is the link https://trello.com/power-apps/admin. Now here what you'll do, you will click on this new to create a new developer application. And from this drop down you will select Trello workspace, and here you can write your email. And then let's click on create. Okay, now you can see our application is created. Now there is the option to generate a new key. Okay, let's click on this generate API key. Now here you can see API key is created and API secret is also here. I will copy this API key is also here. I will copy this API key from here. Paste it here. And then we need to collect API token. So what we'll do, here you can this clickable link, so you will click on this token, then you will be redirected on this page. Here just click on allow, and then you can see this is our API token. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. Now we will use Postman tool to test this API. I will create a new workspace. Okay, here what we'll do, very first of all, I will add the client ID or API key and API token in this global variable. This was the API key. Okay, and here API token. Okay, all good. So now what we'll do, from here we will click on, okay, there is no option, so okay, we can search directly Trello API documentation. Okay, click on here. This is the REST API documentation. So very first of all, what we'll do, we will create a new board. Okay, so here there is lot of endpoints. I will select, where is the option, okay, here is the option to create a board. So from this I will copy this postman, and here I will create a new collection. Here I will write and I will click on import and I will paste it here and then import into collection. I will rename create a new board, and here you can see I can write here the board name automation, and API key I already declared in global variable, so I will write API key. So it is not showing here, so what we can do, okay, let's save it and reload this. Okay, now it is showing API key, and here I'll select API token. Okay, this is the automation, so I can change the name Trello automation. So in my Trello board you can see there is no boards created. So now I will send this API request, and now you can see 200 is the success status code. Okay, this board is created and this is the board ID. So now if I go back here, there is no board. So if I reload it, now here you can see Trello automation, the same name board is created automatically via API. So I will clear all these things because I will create list via API. Okay, now I will create list. So I will go here, and this is the endpoint to create a new list. I will copy this curl code from here, and again, okay, let's save it first. Then I will go to import. I will paste the curl code and again click on import into collection. I will rename it create a new list. What I'll do, I'll give the name of this list automation list, and API key, this is the API key, I will replace with API token. Okay, all done. Okay, now the Trello board ID. So in the previous API request I received the board ID, so this is the board ID. I will copy it from here and I will paste here. Now here you can see there is no list. Now I will send the API request. Okay, now you can see successfully API created the list, and this is the list ID. Now if I go back here, you can see automation list. This is the same name I added in the postman, it appeared here. This is the list, now it is created. Now I will create a single cart in this list. So where is the cart? Okay, this is, so I will create a cart, create a new cart. So this is the endpoint. Same way I will copy this curl code and I will go to the postman. I will save it first and then import. I will paste it and import into collection. Okay, here list ID is required. In the previous API call I got this list ID. I will copy it from here and I will paste it I will add API key and API token. I'll rename it okay. Now in the documentation you can see I can add the name and description in this card. So what I'll do, I will add the parameter name. I'll change the name first card in list, and description I will add this is the card is now created via API call from Postman tool. Okay, now all good. Okay, let's send the API request. Okay, successfully the card is created. Now if I go back to my Trello, now you can see this is the card now added here. Now this is the card name, and here this is the same description. This is the card is now created by API call from Postman tool. Okay, now here you can see there is a lot of endpoint, so you can use for your as you need. This is the basic idea of using this Trello API, and hope this video is helpful. If you need this type of help, you can send me WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is now given in the description box. Okay, there is one more important thing I forgot to mention, that sometimes you can create the Trello board manually, and that time you will not find the Trello board ID easily. So what you can do, from here you will just type .json and hit enter. So you will get the JSON text, and if you select this checkbox you can get the Trello board ID easily. So that is the alternative way to get Trello board ID. When you will create the Trello board manually, that time you will not get the ID easily, but that is the alternative option. You can find the ID. Okay, I hope this video is helpful, and okay, see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.